Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your LinkedIn account in 2026. Whether you're using a computer or the LinkedIn mobile app, signing in is quick and easy. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and visit LinkedIn.com or launch the LinkedIn app on your Android or iPhone. Once the homepage appears, click or tap the asterisk sign in *** button. Next, enter the email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid login issues. Then, enter your password in the password field. If you're on your personal device, you can choose to stay signed in for faster access next time. However, avoid using this option on public or shared computers. Now, click or tap the asterisk sign in ** button. If your login details are correct, LinkedIn will take you directly to your home feed, where you can view posts, connect with professionals, search for jobs, and manage your profile. If you've enabled two-step verification, LinkedIn will ask you to enter the security code sent to your phone, email, or authentication app. Enter the code and continue to complete the login process. If you forgot your password, simply click the ** forgot password link below the login form. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you're having trouble signing in, double-check that your email address and password are correct. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If the issue continues, try clearing your browser's cache, using a different browser, or updating the LinkedIn app to the latest version. And that's it. You now know how to log in to your LinkedIn account in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn guides and helpful tech tutorials.